Aptina APIX is a series of pixel technologies featuring light guide and deep photodiode that greatly and cost-effectively benefit pixel performances. We apply APIX technology to enhance quantum efficiency, minimize crosstalk, and altogether it allows taking sharp images with vibrant colors even at low light condition, which is pretty big challenge for traditional sensors. Not only does Aptina APIX allow phone camera with image qualities comparable and competitive with digital still cameras, but it also enables a new class of hybrid cameras capable of capturing still images and high quality video. I will use this animation to explain the features of APIX technology. You can see on the first animation that some light can interact with metal layers, some light can be lost. Not all photons came to the silicon surface, and that creates crosstalk, and this is a reason for increased noise in the final color images. In the second animation, we put a light guide that effectively transmit light through all these layers without any losses and deliver light to the silicon surface. Now, everything looks okay from the optical standpoint. However, if you can see, some electrons generated from the deep absorbed photons, they still lost. They are not acquired in this photodiode. So the next stage, what we did with the pixel technology, we extended photodiode deep into the silicon to capture all electrons generated in this pixel and preventing them from generating crosstalk. So this situation is illustrated in the third animation. You can see that the all light is coupled into light guide. It's delivered into the silicon surface, and all electrons generated in this pixel are captured in this pixel, almost perfect situation. For 1.4 micron pixel, what Aptina could do, we enabled the same performances for the front-side illumination imager, but using advances of APIX technology. So the same performances as backside illuminated imaging, but with cheaper technology, more mature technology. We shipped almost 1 million sensors with this technology, and we are having pretty good yield for this process. This is our typical scene that we are using for testing image quality. Everything set up to look on the different aspects of the image quality. This is how our demo board looks like. This is actual mobile type of the lens and sensor located behind the lens. There are two devices mounted on the boards. The one of them is our previous generation 5 megapixel sensor, and other one is a new generation with the latest APIX technology. On these two monitors you can see images from both of these devices. Both images are working with 67 millisecond integration time, which is corresponds to 15 frames per second. Shows about 96, about 100 lux on the scene. One on the left show image from our previous generation of 5 megapixel sensor. And one of the right shows latest 5 megapixel sensor with latest APIX technology. Reducing of this noise at this low light condition, this is exactly what we are targeting with APIX technology. And this is what consumer will see in the cameras based on our sensor. When market goes to the smaller pixel, 1.1 micron pixel size or 0.9 micron pixel size, we are going to use some element of APIX technology and apply it to the backside illuminated technology. It will greatly benefit performances of extremely small pixels like 1.1 and smaller.